Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll teach you how to add Shopify product page music players. Let's get started. In order to add those, you just need to head over to your apps at shopify.com, which is Shopify App Store. Then search in here for music player. And then from in here, you should be able to see a lot of music player that you can choose. But for me, I'll just choose to use this RT background music player because this one is actually free and has a lot of reviews. So let's head over and click on this install button right here. And then this will open a new tab wherein it will ask me for access in order to successfully integrate this application to my Shopify. So let's just head over and then grant this access by clicking on the install button. Then once you have done that, this will actually load like this in order to show us the dashboard of this specific app. So let's just wait for that. So as you can see, this what it will look like. So what you can do is you can just head over, scroll down, and then click on this customize app right here. Now on this right here, we should be able to see a new page that will enable us to customize this application or an actual store. So first thing we need to do is we just need to click on this enable right here in order to enable this store. Once you have clicked on enable right here, make sure that you actually do these 4 steps. So the first step is done, so click on next. Click on this go to online store and then make sure that this is enabled and app embeds. So let's just wait for this right here. And then we should be able to see in here the app embed, which is actually third icon on your left sidebar right here on your Shopify editor. As you can see, it's been activated, so head over and then click on the save option. Once you have clicked on the save option, head back to the previews tab, then head over to the next, then click on this open store right here, then make sure that your speaker icon has been turned on. So what you can do is you can just head over and then click on got it right here, but you need to make sure that the speaker icon that's in the bottom left side of the screen. So go back to the app settings and click on next. So what you can do is you can click on got it and click on this right here. And then you should be able to see in here some music.